guys, it's Jennifer. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel for new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you're a returning subscriber, hello. Thank you for joining us in today's look. I've got to work on my intros. That is so incredibly awkward. Anyway, this, I don't know what I'm going to call it yet. It's just really pretty, orangey, pinky kind of look. Very simple, no lashes, no wing, really no liner in general, like in all technicality. There's no eyeliner in this look. Super simple, super wearable, and it's just really easy to do and to follow along. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up down below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. We are only 2 subscribers away when I'm filming this from our 50 subscriber goal. When we hit that, I am going to be forcing my fiance James to do my makeup, and he thought he was going to goof off and like get out of it by doing like a supernatural look. He was like, I'm barely gonna put anything on you and just call it done. And I'm like, no, you gotta do lashes, you gotta do a wing, you gotta actually try. And so please make him have to do that. And yeah, so if you enjoy the look, please continue watching. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the Profusion Mattes palette, and we're going to be working with these 2 little colors to start out with. First, I'm going to take Devoted, and we're gonna excuse my skin because I'm doing my face makeup after, because Fallout is the devil. So I'm just taking Devoted and running it through my crease and up a little bit, diffusing it over and over and over. I don't know if I like that or not. We're gonna roll with it for right now though. This is like sick eyes color. Do you know what I'm talking about? Like where you're sick and your eyes are just like naturally a little red. This is what this looks like. This is like a bruisey color. I straight just stabbed myself in the eye, and it's okay. So once I get done doing this look, I'm filming a collective haul from a few different places, and I'm like extra freaking excited. I got cool goodies. I do not know if I'm gonna even like this. We're gonna keep going. I'm gonna take Madly, which is right here. It's like a burnt red color. And I'm applying this to my lid and then blending it upward toward my crease. Alright, so now I'm going to take Go Girl, which is a hot fuchsia-y color, and I'm going to kind of just throw that in there on top. And I'm really blowing this out. If it's messy, don't worry about it. I'm going to hopefully fix it here in a second. Now I'm going to take a clean crease brush with nothing on it. Well, none of these purplies, and I'm going to take Dynasty, which is this orangey peach shade, and I'm just going to add that right on top of the crease color, and pretty much blend that over the entire eye. This shape is bogus. Do I want to? Yeah, I do. I'm going to take Bravo, which is this chocolatey brown. Almost has a red tone in it. And this is just a stiffer crease brush. And I'm going to place that in the very outer corner. I have no plan where this is going, none at all, so we're just gonna take it as it goes. The amount of fallout in this palette is a little ridiculous, but it doesn't really bother me. I'd rather have pigment over non-powdery. Although, I don't know how it's going to go doing my face makeup after my eyes, because I've literally never done it in my entire life. And it just seems wrong to me. Like, there's nothing wrong with doing it if that's how you do your makeup. My friend Taylor has a channel, Taylor Martin, and she always does her eyes first, and it just, I can't do it. We're going to try today, but I promise I probably can't do it. But I'm going to hop off of here really quickly, and I'm going to do my face makeup, and then we'll be back to do the rest. So I feel way more normal now that I have my face makeup on. I went ahead and did my eyebrows. I have a brow routine up on my channel. If you want to know how I do that. To take, this is technically for your crease, but I don't want to use it up there. And I'm going to go into the Anastasia Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm going to take, Lyra, whatever, this really, really gold one. I'm gonna use that and hopefully not get a ton of fallout, and I'm just gonna put this in the very center of my lid. We'll see how this goes. We might end up going in with some spray and wetting it. Let me try it with my finger. Alright. We're doing it. Okay, we'll load up your brush. I did not mean for that to be so aggressive. I'm going to load up my brush and spritz it a little bit. While I was doing my face makeup, I was definitely watching another YouTube video. Man, I don't know her screen name. I'll link the channel down below. It's like Shannon Beauty something. Yeah, I can't think of the name. But she's super awesome, and I've really been liking her channel here lately. How did that eye come out so much better than this other eye? I just wanted to know. Am I being punished? This is so not how I wanted this look to come out, but we're going with it. We're living with it. I'm also going to go over that a little bit with Eclipse, which is just a paler gold shade. Well, hell, maybe that's what I should have went in with first. It's fine. So we have some super exciting videos planned. It is currently Thursday, May 30th? It's May 30th. I'm going back in with just that crease brush and blending this on the edges a little bit. But, yep. I don't know what I was saying. Oh, we have super cool videos planned. While I'm filming this video, I am literally 2 subscribers away from my 50 subscriber goal, and if you've watched a few of my other videos, when we hit 50, I have a really cool video planned, and then when we hit 100 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway here on my channel, so I mean, y'all should subscribe if you haven't already. I'm pretty sure I probably said that in the intro, because this is past Jennifer, because I definitely filmed my intro after I filmed the whole look, but nonetheless, I probably have already said that in the intro, but it's okay. I need to take Luna and highlight my brow bone. But I'll try to. I didn't have my eyebrows put on, so I accidentally put my eyeshadow way, way too high. It's fine. Jesus, why did I blend this so high? I'm just taking a clean brush trying to fix that whole situation. Alright, so now I'm going to find my favorite brush. This is the Smudge brush from e.l.f. It's called like the Smudger brush or something like that. I have one from Morphe, and it's just not as fat and short as this one. I don't know why. I've always used this one. Alright, so we're going to take Dynasty, which is that orangey peachy shade. Beautiful. Oh, but I actually had I've had requests in the past, because a few of my subscribers know me in real life. I've had people like snap me and stuff with a few requests, but I had another request to do the meet my fiance tag. I'm going in with Madly, by the way, on the outer edge. Katie Mann, who has her own channel here on YouTube, I'll link her channel down below, as well as Shannon's, which is her actual name, but I have no idea what her screen name is. Anyway, I'll link Katie's and Shannon's down below. But Katie was like, you should do the meet my fiance tag, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to. I have to convince James. And by convince, I mean I have to tell him we're doing it. I'm going to go into a matte black. This is the ColourPop I Think I Love You palette. I'm just going to take this matte black shade and just kind of, can you even see what I'm doing? Pretty much just stamping that on my top lash line. Okay, but anyway, I'm going to go in with Urban Decay Profusion mascara, and I'll be back momentarily. Okay, so I'm back. I found my lip color. I actually purchased this a while ago and haven't used it. This is the Urban Decay Vice Liquid Lipstick in Back Top. Sure, I'm gonna throw that on really fast. Take off our headbands, and we're going to attempt to fix my hair, kinda, maybe a little bit. It's fine. So this is the completed look. It's super simple, no wing, no lashes, nothing crazy, just lots of blending and some highlights. So if you enjoyed this look and this video, please give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.